Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cherry strudel. First, ensure your puff pastry is thawed and ready to use. You'll need about 2 cups of fresh, pitted cherries, half a cup of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract for the filling. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This simple dessert comes together quickly with just a few key steps, perfect for any occasion. Now, let's prepare our delicious cherry filling. In a medium bowl, combine your 2 cups of pitted cherries with half a cup of granulated sugar. Stir in 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract. This really brightens the fruit flavor. Mix everything gently until the cherries are well coated. This simple mixture will create a wonderfully sweet and slightly tart center for your strudel. Next, it's time to assemble your strudel. Lightly flour your work surface and roll out the thawed puff pastry into a rectangle, approximately 10 by 12 inches. Carefully spread the cherry filling down the center, leaving about 1 inch clear on the long edges. Now, gently roll the pastry up from one long side, creating a log. Pinch the ends and the seam closed to prevent any filling from escaping during baking. Finally, it's time to bake your masterpiece. Place the sealed strudel seam side down on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake in your preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes or until it's beautifully golden brown and puffed. Once baked, let it cool on a wire rack for at least 15 minutes before slicing. A light dusting of powdered sugar adds the perfect finishing touch. Enjoy your homemade cherry strudel.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.